Creating new Facebook account with phone number is quite difficult because you are traveling around the world, so you may have login problem. But no worry, I will show you how to fix it. Hi, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will share how to create a brand new Facebook account with Gmail address. Just few steps. It's quick and easy. Before we go, please don't forget to support with subscribe. Please watch this video until the end so that you won't miss any steps. Let's begin. Go to Google, type in the search area Facebook. Click on Facebook login or sign up. Click on create new account. Fill up the form that you can see. First name, surname, mobile number or Gmail address. Use Gmail address because we are opening account with Gmail address. Create a strong password. Write your date of birth and select your gender. Click on sign up. Now you need to open your Gmail that you use. You need to confirm your account. Copy the code number. First, confirm your account and enter the code number here. After that, click on continue. To be account confirmed, click on OK. Here we go. Now you get a new Facebook account. That's all friends. I hope you may like this video. For more videos, please don't forget to support with subscribe, like, share and comments. Thank you for watching.